Hello YouTubers, here is my Lego single shotgun. In a school, very dangerous and it's very strong shoot. So this is the ammo. This is the gun. Here is the lever. So this gray is locked and when you push, unlocked. So this is a lever pusher. And okay, here is the mechanism, the stick. Here is the shoot. And okay, how to reload it. You can pull this on this and put the ammo here. And so how it shoots. Or you can push and very strong shoot. 3, 2, 1. See, it's very cool gun. And I built it half hour. And I will show you again how it works. So pull this out, put the ammo in, and push. See? And the mechanism is under this blue piece, white piece, and okay. Here is the lever, and this side here. So when you pull this out, it's locked. And when you push it, this black, not this, but this black pushes the ammo, and the ammo very strong shoot. So I will show you. See? Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye.